Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers, and we want to evaluate each expression. So, if I was given this expression, negative 0.8 plus a negative 7.2, happens sometimes, excuse me, negative 7.2 minus 5.4, okay? So if I want to add those together, so what I'm going to do is actually just rewrite this as just negative 0.8 plus a negative 7.2 and make them all adding negative. So that's subtracting 5.4 plus a negative 5.4. Okay? And I'll put that in parentheses as well. So now I just need to add all these together. Well, you can try to add them all at the same time or add them in different parts. It's up to you. I'm just going to do it in two parts here. So I'm going to deal with the negative 0.8 and the negative 7.2. And since they're all negative together across here, and we're all adding them, it's fairly simple. So we just have a negative 0.8 plus a negative 7.2. I'm going to just do that on the side here. Okay? And so, well, since they're both negative, you almost treat it like it's a positive number, and just know that it's going to be a larger negative. So 0.8 plus 0.2 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 7 is 8. Make sure you bring down the negative. And so this comes out to be negative 8.0, or negative 8, plus negative 5.4, bringing that down here. So again, we need to add those together. Well, we can kind of leave that negative 0.8 if you want there, but I'm just going to add a negative 5.4 underneath it. So, same thing. This is going to be a larger negative number. Two negative numbers added together is a larger, quote-unquote, negative number. This is 0.0 plus 0.4 is 0.4. And 8 plus 5 is 13, and we bring down that negative, and so negative 13.4 is our final answer. So again, let's recap. We start with negative 0.8 plus a negative 7.2 minus 5.4. I rewrote that minus 5.4 to be plus a negative 5.4. I then combined the negative 0.8 and then negative 7.2. Now, if you can do that in your head, you don't need to do this whole thing. We just know it would be negative 8.0, right? 0.8 plus 0.2 is 10, 0, carry the 1, and then 1 plus 7 is 8, bring down the negative. Then we add the negative 5.4, and again, you might be able to do that in your head, but I'm writing it out here. Negative 8 plus negative 5.4, so 0 plus 0.4 is 0.4, 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the negative, and we have negative 13.4 as our final answer.